my name is Nana, aka Onigirinana, and today I'm going to show you my favorite go-to red e-girl makeup look. I think I'm most known for my red contacts, so hand in hand, a red shadow look really goes with my brand. And honestly, what is more alt and cool than a fierce red punch you in the fucking throat shadow look? You feel me? It's very messy, very splotchy, very mentally ill, and we are absolutely here for it. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then let's get started. Alright, so I'm in the middle of rearranging my entire studio, so please ignore the fucking crusty ass background. For my signature red e-girl look, all you need are three things, and that is a fucking musty, dusty, gross ass makeup blending brush, a red liquid lipstick, and then a red eyeshadow. Today's liquid lipstick of choice is Morphe in the shade Morphe. Is it eye safe? I don't know, but I've been fine so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and just messily apply the lipstick on the outer corner of the eye. Honestly, the messier the better. I'm gonna go ahead and take my pinky finger and just blend the absolute shit out of it. Like I said, the goal is splotchy. Just drag underneath the lid. Perfect. Today I'm using ColourPop eyeshadow in the palette Too Hot. It is absolutely my go-to favorite red and pink shadow of all time. Dip and place. Essentially, the liquid lipstick is used as a base to make our red even more pigmented. Essentially, you can go ahead and leave it like this, but what I like to do is take a deeper red shade or even a black shadow just to make more dimension. We're focusing that darker pigment closer to the eye. Like, look at that. Honestly, it kind of just looks like bloody wounds around your eyes. Sorry, that's a bit graphic, but that's the goal. I went ahead and brightened the inner corners off camera, and now it is time for the liner. For today's liner, we're going to be using NYX Epic Ink Liner. I have a love-hate relationship with this product only because while it is one of my absolute holy grails, it sometimes bleeds in my inner corner a lot, and that could just be the fault of my fucking moist ass inner corners, but it's a good product nonetheless. Essentially, with this eyeshadow look, you can do any sort of liner you'd like, but because of the size that I've like dispersed it, we're gonna go ahead and make a bold ass wing. Starting from the inner corner of the eye, we're gonna go ahead and move a little bit out and then drag up, and then from the tip we're gonna go ahead and drag it down, and don't fuck it up. It's my goal to stop at the middle of the lid and like build the shape, because I know I'm gonna mess up and it's just gonna get thicker and thicker, and fill in. Then I look forward and I see that I do have some folding action going on. My eyes have been really swollen lately because I've been a little sick. So we're gonna try to make it as even as possible. I'm gonna make a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this, but for the time being, we're just gonna try to fix it. Looking straight forward, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect and then expand on that line I made. This is 100% thicker than I wanted it to be, but it's okay. A cute inner corner moment. Okay, I went ahead and did an inner corner and bottom lashes off screen. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, comment down below and I'll make sure to make a video specifically on that so I can really walk you step by step, product by product, how I get my watery ass eyes to cooperate with this e-girl aesthetic. This part is completely optional. I like to add mascara splotches to contribute to that messiness of the red that we've got going on, and it's my absolute favorite part. Take a dry wand and just dot lightly around the bold wing as well as the bottom lashes that you've created. And this can be as crazy or as subtle as you'd like. When it comes to the bottom lashes, I like to take the spoolie and drag down almost as if I were crying, which I probably was. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pop a lash and finish the rest of the look. And here's the finished look. It's a very extremely beginner friendly look and it gets the job done. Like, it's so messy, but it looks so good. Literally, you literally cannot fuck this up. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know what color you'd like to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!